In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening an app called HiTheme. Then select Discovery at the bottom right corner, click Font, and tap on the best one for you. Following that, hit Download, tap on Apply, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, theme of mine has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, click on Personalization in Devices Settings. Then scroll down to access My Fonts. Click on Default, tap on Apply, and choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!